Let me just see how many locusts are around this tree. Yeah, I'm literally raking them. They stink. They're starting to really stink. That's just around this one big tree here. I mean, there was as you can see, there's a pile about 8 inches deep. You can hear them in the background. Phew. Look at that. Piles of cicadas. Stinky cicada. Wow. Pile there, pile there. It's like raking leaves. So I'm gonna rake these up. Is that gross or what? Phew. There you go. Piles of cicadas if anybody wants them. Probably make a nice cicada pie or stew.